Quick Start is designed to help you start scoring as fast as possible. For new users, Quick Start appears automatically the first time you open the app. On one screen, you can create a champion, set up a tournament, and add competitors, all at once. When you tap Start Tournament, TKD Tracker automatically builds the tournament and places everyone inside so you can start scoring right away. For existing users, the Add Tournament screen works the same way. You can add champions, set up a tournament, include existing competitors, or quickly add others, all in one place. Just like the first-time flow, everything is created and ready to use immediately. Quick Start removes setup friction so you can focus on scoring, even when time is tight. This keeps clarity, brevity, no branching confusion. TKD Tracker. Score it, track it, share it.